Hi guys, and welcome back to another video. Now just a quick update and what the tomato ground look like. So I'm walking around. So I have finished weeding out this part of the tomato and have grassed it and all that. So they're looking very beautiful right now. Let's get all up in there. So hopefully these withstand the cold, because it's a cold period right now and tomato don't really like cold. And I have juke a few peppers, sweet peppers through this as well, and they start blossom. So yes guys, and as you can see the spray are still on it, and I had watered them with 2020. That's kind of a leaf fertilizer and also blossom boosters so that they can send up blossoms, and those are some blossoms. So I also have some cucumbers at this side as well, and these are some more blossom right there. So guys, this part of the ground is coming along very nicely. Guys, look at this. It looks like the tomatoes aren't holding so properly because this blossom rot, and then this is the only one that have egg in it, and then these don't look so bad at all. So now guys, this is a bigger tomato. I'm going to show you guys. This is a bigger one, so this one is holding. Hopefully this ground don't get smashed like the broccoli ground. Because trust me, I can't afford another loss right now. I seriously can't. Hi guys. So my sister is reaping her broccoli. Look at them. Look at how beautiful they're looking. Yeah. Look at this broccoli, y'all. So the head them big. Yo, star. All from this garden right here.